Hi, hello everyone. We'll just take a look on how the levels we marked work today and what will be the fresh levels for tomorrow. And today, none of the levels which we marked on 15 minutes or on even 5 minutes, nothing has given entry according to what we planned before the market. But we'll see how the markets moved today and how we traded. So first, I'll just take you to the Nifty chart. So on Nifty yesterday, our observation was on daily, it was taking 60 support. And we thought that is a bullish indication. This is the Nifty daily chart. I have shown the earlier example when it took the 60 support on daily. From there, it went much high and even then one small swing low and that up move was continuing. And we have seen this RSI 60 support on daily one more time. And we have seen this inside candle and we thought like once it go above, it can keep going up. And that is what we have seen today. And we have seen clearly this went much high. Now let me go back quickly to the 15 minutes. So on 15 minutes, if you remember, day before yesterday, this was the area. Okay, not even this. This was the area where we entered long in Nifty because this was 75 minutes level as well. Remember, the reason we marked this level was 75 minutes also we have this nice demand area. And I said clearly this demand area should have some weight because it has broken clearly the prior swing highs. So this is where we thought like to go long. And even I said, if you enter any naked calls here, this is where you should exit. And once it break this area and come back, this is where you can re-enter. And we also thought like people who don't want to take a risk with the naked calls, they can enter bull call. Let's see what happened for the people who entered naked calls and for people who entered bull call. I will also show you how to make adjustments in the bull call. See, this is where we entered naked calls. And once it went there, this is where we need to exit because this is one important area. It broke this while going back. We thought this will be the supply area. And this is where we exited our naked calls with some small profit. And just look at the people who are just simply holding bull call. You can't simply wait for days together by entering naked calls. But if you're in a spread, definitely you can wait because your risk will be much low. Now let me show what happened to the people who entered bull call. So this was the trade which we planned. Let me maximize this. So this was the call we thought to enter and this was the call to sell. And the risk to reward is 1:2. Maximum risk is 15 to 1600 and maximum reward is 3400. This was the trade entered. Right now the trade is in profit. It is in profit of 1400 rupees per lot. So our expectation is that it will go and touch this supply area. So if it go to the supply area around 18,755, if it expire at this area, you will be making the maximum profit. Now the afraid now the problem with these bull call people is this: if they don't book this profit whatever they are seeing right now, and if they simply wait for this maximum target of 3400, there is a chance if tomorrow and day after tomorrow if market falls, they will lose this profit and also you can go back to the 1500 loss. So what you can do, you can make this trade risk-free in so many ways. Let me show you one way. So right now you can convert this bull call into bull call. Okay, right now we have entered this bull call. We'll convert this into butterfly. How we do that? We'll sell this one more lot, 18,750. We can sell this now one more lot call here. So once you sell this, now you see till where you are covered, 18,861. Now what we'll do, we'll go and buy 18,650. Sorry, what is this? 18,850 call. You just need to go and buy this offset here. And now see what will happen to your trade. Your trade has become risk-free. So if it stay anywhere in this range, 18,900 and till here 18,600, you will make some good profit. If it expires somewhere close to 18,750, 800, you will make more than 4,000 profit. If it queue like too much up move or too much down move, you don't have to worry at all, because there is nothing to lose in this trade. The trade has become risk free. In the same way, you can convert this into ladder as well. Ladder means instead of selling the same strike, you can go like 50 points more and you can sell one call there, and then you can buy offset above that. Then what happens, the maximum profit, instead of being at one pocket, it will give you some range where you will get the maximum profit. So I'm not doing much on the options adjustments now. I'm just showing you one sample example how you can adjust your trade and make your trade risk free. So basically that is how it is. And people who exited their call around this area might be waiting, like once it break out, and they might be waiting for this level to re-enter. Probably they didn't get entry. It's a bad luck. But people who are in bull trade, they might be enjoying the trade. So that is about the trade. Now let us look for the plan for tomorrow in Nifty. So tomorrow from this supply area, if you see any indices candle and if there is any fall, this is where we enter put. And if price break this level and if it sustain, and if you see any pullback to this supply area, this will act as support. So that is where we go long. So once it go here, if you see index, we go short. Once if it go above, if it come back for retracement, that is where we go long. And while coming down, this is one area where we can try some short. If the price go below this area, we can go for a short like till this area. This is basically a tested zone, so we don't have to rely much on that. So once it go below this level, we can aim for these lows once, and again one more time put if it go below this. So that will be the plan for Nifty for tomorrow. Now let us see what will be the plan for Bank Nifty and how Bank Nifty traded today. So Bank Nifty didn't give any entry. We thought like once it go above this level, we can go for long, or when it go and give chance around 43,800. This is where, okay, let me take you to the 15 minutes to show the levels clearly. So this is where we thought like to go long around 43,800, and to go short, we planned something on 5 minutes. These are the two levels. Around these areas we thought like to short, and above this we'll go long. But what happened today? There was no entry, nothing. It just opened here. It didn't even break this high. And if you remember from the yesterday video, I even marked this level, and above this we thought of going long. But if you see, the price came exactly to the previous high. It came below, and from there it struggled throughout the day to cross the previous high. And for tomorrow, if it opens somewhere here, there will be no value for the demand zone. When this demand area will get value, first let the price open little above. Then it shows that after forming this demand area, it will break all these swing highs. Once the price go above this swing high, and then if you see any retracement around this area or even this area, that is where we go long. And about 44,200, we can enter long for another 100, 150 points. See, that is how the market is. Basically, we want some target of nice 300, 400 points target, something like that. If there are hurdles for every 100 points or 200 points, we just should not see what we want. We should see what is there on the chart. Right now, there is a possibility above this like 100 to 150 points. And when it come here, the target could be little more. And when it go below this level, there is a chance market can fall another 180 points, 80 to 100 points till 43,800. So this is what market is giving. This is what we are seeing on the charts, and we need to respect that and we need to trade accordingly. So for Bank Nifty for tomorrow, if it opens somewhere here and if it starts coming down, this is where we enter long. And if it break this level and if you see retracement, this is also one level where we go long. And in from these demand zone, supply zones, if you see any index candle and if you see price falling, that is the one area where we go short. And above all-time high, above 44,500, if the price break that, that is where we enter long again. So that is about Bank Nifty. Let me show you how we traded on Nifty today. So this is the Nifty chart, and these are the levels which we marked. We thought like to go long here when it come to this demand area, and to short when it go to the supply area. See what happened. The first candle we missed entry just by very few points. Here you can see the low of this candle. The low is 19,372. Where is our entry? 19,360. Just by 10 points we missed the entry. That too it was so quick. From there it started going up. So throughout the day it didn't break the previous high, and it was giving like an all sideways movement throughout the day. And this is one area which we marked, and we thought like to go short because see, it went high, it took support, it went high again. This is one false breakout. Below this we thought like to go short, but this was like a false breakout. We exited the trade immediately here. And later when we have seen another breakdown here, this is where we entered puts and we made some profit in the puts. And if you see exactly at the day low around this gap area, this is where the market closed yesterday. It came exactly to this area, and from there it started bouncing back. And if you remember, this is the area where we entered some 6 rupees call, which became like more than 20 rupees. How we entered the call? We took the support from Bank Nifty. This is what I posted in the group. Let me show you on 15 minutes. I applied Bollinger Band here, and I'm also looking at RSI. This is Bank Nifty 15 minutes. See, the price came here to the lower Bollinger Band, and there it started basing. What am I seeing here? RSI 40 support here. Here you can see clear RSI 40 support, and the price is at lower Bollinger Band and it is taking RSI support. There is a high chance that Bank Nifty can move up from this level. So as it is Nifty expiry, we know we'll get premiums at very cheaper price. So based on Bank Nifty has more than 60% weight on Nifty. When Bank Nifty start moving up, obviously Nifty also will start moving up. That is the reason we entered call here, and it gave like nice good profit. So that is how we traded in Nifty. We don't have to trade in Nifty tomorrow. Premiums will be very high as we are very close to expiry on Nifty and Bank Nifty. That is what we'll be looking for tomorrow. We'll just work on the levels what we planned today, and we'll see if we get any entry or how they work tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching.